All right, we're at 1760 East Palomar Street in East Chula Vista. All right, here we go. Little piece of downtown living, kind of. There's a sushi restaurant down there, dental clinic, little grocery store, cell phone repair, Allstate insurance, barbershop, liquor store, hair and nails. She got this little village set up called Bellagio. Let's go ahead and widen this out. Sir. Oh, thank you. All right, usually you gotta put your combo into the keypad. Yeah, somebody with tailgate on. All right, so while we head up here, I'll tell you the numbers on this one. They're asking $560,000 at 6.25% interest rate. We would be looking at a total of $4,769. $475 of that is HOA. Property taxes is $746 of that, and then $100 per month is what I would expect insurance to be at or below for this unit. All right, so we got a little gym. It's like a cardio gym. Community balcony. Each unit has their own balcony, but it's a spot that you might be able to meet with some friends, have coffee with a neighbor without having to enter into each other's world. Here we are, 307. All right, so right away, there's a blue built-in, painted blue obviously, but we got dining room over here, kitchen here, living room with a built-in, the door to the balcony, and the staircase upstairs. Let me show you the downstairs stuff. All right, we got the bathroom. It's a really neat wallpaper up at the top there. Although, I can see the line there. You see the line? The pattern changes up. They didn't match the pattern up, but it still looks cute. All right. Oh, here's something to know about these. Okay, there is a dishwasher. I've seen units in this building with no dishwasher. All right, not every unit has built-in like this. That was something that they put in. All right. Could use some pressure washing and some caretaking out here. And this is just the water heater and some little bit of storage area. Now for some stairs. Here we go. So this is a 2-bedroom, but it could live like a 3-bedroom if you just have somebody that's willing to live out in the open, like a bunch of kids or something. You know, I got a friend, Ross Tinney. I think he has a dozen kids, but when him and I were on the Enterprise together, he had 6 boys and then had his 7th girl. That's the toilet, water closet, and then a walk-in closet with some built-ins, nice. The shower tiled to the ceiling, good. That's a speaker and a fan. Pretty decent setup here for his and hers. What do you think, Gideon?
It's nice. I like how you have their own bathrooms.
How each bedroom has its own bathroom? Yeah. But then if you use this for like the kiddos, they have it built out for an at-home office, which makes this house pretty good and usable for somebody that might have like 2 boys, 2 girls that can share a room, no problem, and then use this as this. But then the other units, this is open, so they can use this as like a bedroom too.
Yeah.
Maybe the boys in here and the girls in there and share a bathroom. All right. So 1 kid or 2 kids of the same gender or whatever, but it's single sink, built-ins in the closet there. Again, nice finishes with the tile up to the ceilings. Place smells good, looks good, feels good. All right, to remind you, they're asking $560. If you use your zero down today, you're looking at $4,769 per month. So let's see if you like it that much. If you do, give me a call and we'll get this thing wrapped up for you.